Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn on this sign or know how you can do that on your SayHi app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here. So when you click on profile, it's going to take us here in this list on your profile. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile. So then you come to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you just click here on privacy settings. So then you come to this list here, then you click here in this sign. So then you just click here on check out VIP here. So then here can you, if you want to pay year or months, or so if or if you just have VPN, it's going to add with you, just click here on OK. So then it's going to add with you here. Don't show me up in neighbor list here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.